Okay, here's your help on the homework. I was asked to do number 5. I'll also help you with maybe another one. So here's number 5. Okay, number 5, you notice is a cube. So my formula for that is A equals base times height. Every single one of these is going to be the same formula, A equals base times height, because on a cube, every single face is the same. Now, by looking at this, it tells me that one side is 4.5. Well, that right there tells me, since it's a cube, the other side is 4.5. So when I have these, I'm going to have to change them to improper fractions and then carry it over. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. And the other one's going to be 9 over 2. So when I multiply that out, I get 81 over 4. I'm going to go to the next page and show you my work. Okay, so there's my work. So I'm going to go ahead and divide. I have 4, 81. I know I'm going to at least that far, and then it's going to be a fraction. So 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 0. Bring down the 1. 4 goes into 1 0 times. So as I write this as a fraction, I'm going to get 20 1/4. So if I go back to my last page right there, the area for all of these is going to be 20 1/4. 20 1/4, 20 1/4, 20 1/4, 20 1/4, 20 1/4. So if I want to add all of these together, I can, or if I want to, I can multiply all of that by 6. Now, if I multiply it by 6, I do have to change this to an improper fraction, which would be 81 over 4 times 6 over 1. So I get 486 divided by 4. Again, I'm going to put it in my division box. I want to go that far. Does 4 go into 4? The answer is yes, one time. Does 4 go into 8? Yes, 2 times. I'm going to do the work right there. Bring down the 6. Does 4 go into 6? Yes, 1 time with 2 left over. So it's going to be 121. And then I have 2/4. And that 2/4 can be simplified to 121.5. So for that work right there, I have the surface area equals 121.5 inches squared. Okay, on this one, all my shapes are triangles. They're not all the same, so I know the area equals base times height divided by 2. Every single one of these, base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Now, when I look at this, my front face, my right face, and my left face all have the same measurements. So that's going to make it easy. So my base, I'm going to erase this so you can actually see it. My base is going to be 6. The height is going to be 8 2/10. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. And that's where I'm going to get the area of my triangles. The sides is 24 6/10 units squared. This area is going to be the same as this one, same as that one. They're all going to be the same. It's going to be 24 6/10, 24 6/10 units squared. The only thing that's going to be different is going to be the base down here. So my base still has the base of 6. I'll do the work right here. But this time, the height is 5 2/10, and I have to divide that by 2. So as I work this out, 6 times 5 2/10 divided by 2, I should get the area equals 15 6/10 units squared. So at this point, all I'm going to do is add up all 4 sides. So as I add all of this up, I should get 89 4/10. So the surface area should be 89 4/10 units squared. Remember, on this page, I'm just showing the work right here. On my page, I'm showing all the formulas and everything step by step for each one. Hope this helps.